Hi Starlights, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Levi Ackerman from Attack on Titan, so let's get started. First, we'll start by sketching the base of Levi's head. Draw a small circle for the head and add guidelines for the face. Make sure to keep proportions in mind. Levi has a slightly angular face. Next, let's define the shape of his face. Levi has a sharp jawline, so make sure to emphasize that. Draw the outline of his chin and neck to give it more defined look. Pay attention to the angles. They'll help create a more dynamic expression. Now we'll move on to his eyes and eyebrows. Draw the eyebrows slightly for that signature serious look. Let's add in the nose and mouth next. Levi's nose is subtle but sharp, and his lips are thin. Just keep it so simple. A slight curve in the lips can add a hint of emotion, without working him look overly expressive. Now it's time for his hair. Levi has short, spiky hair that frames his face. Start from the top and work your way down. Make sure to capture that unique style. Use quick, short strokes to create texture in the hair. Don't forget to add some shading for depth. Once you're happy with your drawing, it's time to clean up any unnecessary lines. Erase the guidelines gently so that only your final lines remain. This step is essential for making your drawing look polished and professional. Finally, let's add some shading and details. Focus on areas like under the chin, around the eyes, and in his hair to give it more definition. Remember that shadows can really enhance the mood of your drawing, so don't skip this step. have it, complete drawing of Levi Ackerman. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new today. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more drawing tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy drawing!